it's raining. There's some hiking points. They have drinks for you, bro, if you needed something. Good morning. Yeah, I am in the van because outside it's raining, and rained all night, raining right now, and will rain all the day by the forecast. So we have to cancel our hike to this mountain because we don't want to get wet, because we want to save our clothes for tomorrow's hike, because we don't know what weather will be tomorrow. For today we will drive to sleeping spot nearby tomorrow's hike, because it's about 80 kilometers away or so. Let's drive. A couple that we met before on the Atlantic Ocean road, and it was amazing how you can meet the people and the different places in Norway. First time was then we met the guy in the Nordcap, and it was cyclist which came from Switzerland, and he's driving his bike all the way to Nordcap, and we met I think several weeks later. I think 2,000 kilometers or more. We met him again in different part of Norway. We met a couple today, but which we met several weeks ago. So it was amazing how you can meet the people in Norway just second time, but in different road, different location. Yeah, you traveling in different paths, different roads, different time, and you still can meet the people. Amazing. We just arrived here at this Vøringfossen waterfall. It's huge, and I have the small sun gap, then I can fly with my drone. And we are making our lunch, and after lunch we will go to see at this waterfall from closer. Here in parking lot you can see how deep valley is. Let's see, I can show you how deep it is, and it's just in a few meters. Also, so if you can see the red dots in here, it's actually people. They are so small, and it's huge. Just came back from our walk, and did you see that valley? It's amazing. It's so huge, it's so beautiful, amazing. It's worth to see it. Yeah, it's amazing. And actually the weather was the fortune for us, because it didn't rain, and right now cloud came, and yeah, it's starting raining again. But we will make a coffee and moving to that city, small city where we're staying for a night, and take our journey to Trolltunga tomorrow. In the morning we were at this mountain and drive all around in different location, and right now we are this different side, and we're taking pictures from another side to this side, and now we're driving here, so it's amazing. I just realized right now because I saw familiar mountain is in the cloud. So yeah, in the morning cloud was here, and right now cloud is on another side. We came here to get the fresh water. Our sleeping point, but actually not this where we choose before, because it was between first and second parking lots. We had the thoughts that maybe we need to pay extra for parking, so we decided to stay before the first parking lot. So yeah, we preparing. We have the sandwiches for tomorrow, the gloves, cameras ready. So yeah, we're preparing. And we will start tomorrow very early. So I will go for a rest, and I see you tomorrow. See ya!